can I just start this video off with telling you how amazing you are, and I love you guys so much, and it's insane. My channel has been growing so much these last few weeks, and I've only been here for 3 months, and it's going so well, and I did not expect that. I am at 606 subscribers right now within 3 months, which is like 200 subscribers a month. I gained 450 subscribers in the last 28 days, and I don't understand it. It just takes me by surprise how much you guys like my videos, I guess. I just want to thank you because I did not expect this, and it's going so fast, and I love you guys. I love every single one of you, and I just want to say thank you. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, welcome. And if you're not new, then hi, welcome back. Anyways, what I'm gonna be doing this video is kind of a part 1 of my closet makeover. A couple of weeks / months ago, I kind of already went through my wardrobe and like decided what I wanted to keep. And I have this really big bag standing in my room with a lot of clothes that I want to sell. And I also have another big bag in the attic that I want to probably donate. So I wanted to start with trying to sell these because they have been standing here for so long, and I'm tired of this bag and I want it gone. So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna try them on again, making sure that I really want them, and I'm gonna make pictures of them for Depop because I am gonna be selling them on Depop, which I have never done before, but it is worldwide, and that's what I want because I know you guys, most of you don't live in the Netherlands, so that's why I wanted to do that. Well, anyways, let's just get started. So anyways, this is my big bag of clothes that I want to sell, and it is really big. It might not look that big on camera, but it is. And I have all kinds of clothes. I have sweaters in here and t-shirts and pants, but I want to start with my t-shirts. I think t-shirts are like maybe the most wanted thing right now. I'm just gonna start with those. Okay, what I want to do is I want to put my mirror somewhere else, like by this window, so that it just looks better, because like I have a window over here and then I have a window over there, so when I'm standing in front of this mirror and I'm making pictures, then it's just like not good, you know? And it just doesn't look good and attractive or anything, so I want to change that, and I want to put my mirror somewhere else. I have no idea what to do. Don't mind the mess on my desk. I hope I'm in focus. Oh my god. I put it on a shoebox. So not good. Oh my god. Beautiful. I love it. This is not much better. It's such a mess in my room. Oh my god. Okay. This looks so pretty. But it's good for pictures. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, I just literally put it on a shoebox against my desk because I have a small mirror. But I just put it like this right now. But as you can see, I have a lot of clothes there and food over there, and this is just a mess. So I think I'm just gonna try and clean this up a little bit to make it look better for better photos, because no, this is not working for me. Okay. I mean, I'm not even sure what I'm supposed to do with this stuff. I'm so good at this, you guys. Okay, this is actually good because I tend to not clean this up a lot, so you don't even see my head. Hi. Oh my god, it's all clean. Oh my god, I actually did it. It's all cleaned up. Now I put a lot of clothes just in my closet just because I already wore it, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so I gotta say, looks pretty good except for that, but okay. It's so weird because there's not a mirror right here. But anyways, what I gotta do right now is put on all of the clothes, which I always love so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna sort out a little bit and get the t-shirts out because that's what I'm gonna start with. It is such a big bag. Shirts, and another shirt, shirt. Yeah, why not? Shirt, and a shirt, and a shirt, shirt, shirt and shirt. I think that was about it. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what I'm dealing with right now. All my shirts that I wanted to sell. So right now I am just gonna take pictures of the clothes. I always love this part the most. It's amazing. Enjoy this time lapse of me making photos of my clothes. Now I am left with 4 shirts. The rest is all done. Went faster than I thought it would. Okay, so I have 3 t-shirts that are blue that I think would look much better with black jeans. So I am gonna put on some black jeans and then I'm gonna make the last of these pictures. Thing is, I have this one, but it is like one long t-shirt dress. Like, my god. It's like a t-shirt dress, but also not really because it's not. Oh my god, you can't even see what it's. So I'm done with all the t-shirts right now, and I do have some pants in there and also some sweaters, but sweaters I'm not really gonna put so much effort into right now because it is summer, so I don't think those will sell really well right now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make photos of the pants right now. Oh my god. Okay, my battery died, but I have a couple pair of pants. 2 are patterned, 1 is white. I have 2 simple denim one and 1 black one, but I also found 2 other t-shirts in the bag that I missed and 1 dress. This shirt is pretty basic. It's just literally black with a little bit of text on it, so I'm gonna pair it with the patterned one. It will ever focus. Is it focused? No, it's not. It's focused on me. Well, anyway, you get the idea. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on and also with my black boots just to make it look a little bit better, more put together. I just want to show you my outfit because honestly, it's not that bad. I think it actually looks pretty good. Don't mind the mess. It's one big mess here, but that's not the point. So I actually kind of like this outfit if it will focus on me. So I just tied the top in the back so it looks more like a crop top, and then the pants, and then the shoes. The shoes look so good with it, but the shoes look good with everything. So, oh my god, it's such a mess. Please don't. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with all the pants right now, and all the t-shirts, so I did everything. I only have 1 dress left. Yeah, I'm just gonna take pictures of it and put it online. I mean, you never know, right? Okay. It is so hot in here. Oh my god. I did all the clothes. I made pictures of everything. I'm glad I'm done. I thought I might show you something else, like editing the photos a little bit and putting them on depop, but I thought that's probably not that interesting, and I already have so much footage that I need to edit right now. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here, and for the next time, if you do like to see those things, like how I edit my photos a little bit and how I put them online, then let me know, because there will be a second time, because I do this a lot, honestly, so I can buy new clothes. So yes, if you do want to see that, let me know, then I'll keep that in mind for the next video. But for now, this is it. Everything should be up right now on my Depop account, so I will put my account in the description box so you can check it out. If you do live somewhere else than the Netherlands, which I definitely can imagine, then please let me know before you buy it, because it's complicated with shipping costs because it's different for every country. So I need to look into that first. But if you do come from my channel and if you know me from my channel, then also let me know because maybe I can give you a little bit of discount. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload every Tuesday and a lot about fashion too. And again, thank you. I love you all so much, and I hope I will see you next week.